Hello everyone, this is JADCO Group. My name is Yicheng.
I'm Katrina.
I'm Macy.
I'm Ron.
Firstly, let me introduce JADCO. So JADCO is a family-owned American manufacturer of prime quality, impact, and abrasion-resistant steel products. So we define our project problem as the current layout of the Cornwall department at JADCO Manufacturing was designed without prioritizing the machine relationships. This created long path lengths and excessive normal edit time between the machines. So what we are going to do is produce an alternative layout that has a direct process material flow path, minimize the backtracking, and decrease the path lengths and travel time between the machines. So here is the current layout. As we can see here, the material flow is overlapped with each other, and the transportation logic is not clear. And as we can see in the bottom, the products has been transferred to outside the factory for too many times. So now we are focused on solve these problems.
So our work is guided by the principles of systematic layout planning. We firstly develop an REL chart, which reviews the importance of placing certain machines close to one another. Then we rearrange the activity relationship diagrams to reduce the intersections of activity classes. And finally, we created several bulk layouts and picked one with the highest efficiency rating.
So here are the two main deliverables we came up with, which were an optimal and feasible layout drawing in CAD. And as you can see, the optimal layout has the highest efficiency score that we obtained at 86%. And the feasible layout was based on client feedback regarding the cranes and material handling, and that efficiency rating is 71%. And we found that both of these led to a large path length reduction.
JADCO gave us several pieces of information to complete our cost analysis. So for our optimal layout, we calculated a 32% decrease in movement time between machines, which translates to a $43,000 per year savings in labor for the upper weld shop. And if they want to use this as an opportunity to increase their production, they can do so by 48%, which increases daily production from 13 parts a day to 20 parts a day. And this gives them potential revenue of $171,000 per year. Our feasible layout, we calculated a 17% decrease in movement time between machines. This would be a $23,000 in labor savings per year for the upper weld shop, and they could increase production from 13 parts a day to 16 parts a day. And this would be a $75,000 potential revenue increase per year. We calculated that the payback periods for both the optimal and feasible layout, if they increase production, would be 1 year, and if they reduce labor, it would be 3 years. And for our implementation plan, we suggest that they incorporate small changes. This could be adding additional racks next to various machines, or incorporating the new layout as machines break or need to be replaced. We also suggest that they consult a construction company for better estimates of time and cost. Thank you.